Wow! This forest is so bright and beautiful!
Yes, it's quite magical, isn't it? Forests have tall trees.
Can you say forest? Mew! Great! Hey, Whisk! Look! A bee!
Oh no! The bee is chasing us! Uh-oh.
Whisk! You look funny! Now you look funny too!
Hey, Flick! Do you hear a sound? I hear water. It sounds like a stream. Can you say stream? Let's explore. Look, a stream.
Look, Whisk, a bridge.
Can you say bridge? A bridge helps us cross the water. Your turn, Whisk. The water is cold.
Flick, please help me! Grab the stick! Thanks for helping me!
You're welcome. What are you doing? Adventures are always fun with a friend.
That sounds like an adventure!
Let's explore.
Nice day, Ra. Yes, let's explore.
Wait!
A hole. Oh no!
Stuck!
How can we help the elephant?
Let's use the rope!
Pull, pull, don't let go. Lift it up, nice and slow. Step by step, try again. We are strong when we all join in. Up we go, almost there. Lift it high with love and care.
Well, this is our path now. Goodbye. That was nice, Stop. They are safe. Hear that?
Water!
Wow! River! Let's go fish? Hooray!
Now we need a worm! That's right!
Dig, dig, what's that there? Wiggly worm, don't be scared. Hook it on, drop it low. In the water, watch it go. Wait, wait, don't be quick. Something's moving, pull it quick. Got a fish, yay, yay, yay!
Let's catch one
try
more
again
fish.
and play!
Now you try.
Hey! I think I got something big! Pull!
It's a crocodile.
Run! Run! Don't slow down! Feet go fast! Don't fall down!
Thank you, friends.
You saved us.
We had so many surprises. Let's explore more.
Wow, these trees are so tall. I know, right? It's amazing in here.
Forests are full of surprises. Let's explore.
Hey, hey, what is that? Something tiny on the path, round and red, take a look. Is it real or just a trick? Oh, oh, now we see little mushrooms, 1, 2, 3. Tap it once, watch it go, boing, boing, up and down below. Tap, tap, jump and play, bouncing all along the way. Round and round, don't be slow, boing, boing, go, go, go.
All right, let's keep exploring.
Let's go right. It seems correct.
I think the left path looks interesting there.
You think so?
Let's try the left path first.
All right, let's see where it goes.
Whoa! Look at them all. Wow, look at that one right there. Incredible.
Oh no! There is no way. Let's go back. Which way to go? Let's try the center path.
What to do? There is no other way.
Let's climb. Be careful and let's go slow. It was a good adventure. Oh, no!
It was a bad idea. Let's go back.
Close. Yeah, good thing we made it. One more path to go.
All right, let's go in the right path. So bright. Nice.
Look at them go! Quick, this way. We have to follow them.
Hey, look.
What is that? Let's open it. Wow!
What is this? I think it's a magic wand. Let me try.
Round and round, watch it glow. Magic starts, here we go.
I don't think it's a magic
Tap
wand.
it, point it, what's it now?
Wow!
Look at that. Wow,
It is
wow,
really
wow.
a magic wand. Wow! Let's do magic on this tree.
Whoa!
Magical.
Wow, look at this.
Well done. Uh-oh.
Run!
Run, run, don't slow down. Big fruit rolling, watch out now.
It's glowing. A bird. Whoa!
We should be careful with new things.
Yes, safety first. Wow, so bright.
Birds! So many!
Run, run, here we go. Chase the birds, go, go, go. Crunch, crunch, step and play. Leaves go crack along the way. Look, look, what's that? A squirrel runs, rat-a-tat, up, up, try to climb. Oops, down we go, haha, that's fine.
Maybe later.
What's that?
Look! Look!
What is it? Let's try this. Be careful.
I got it! Whoa! Not easy. Okay, you try. My turn. Hey, I'm doing it!
Wow! Grouse and show the love that fat, wrinkling fat.
That was crazy. So funny. Let's do it together! Yes! Great idea. I'll hold. Okay, slow.
Step by step, nice and slow. Hold on tight, don't let go. Side by side, now we try. We can do it, you and I. Ride, ride, here we go. Not too fast, nice and slow. Now we glide, smooth and free. Look at us, we. Through the trees, what a view. Deer and rabbits say hello to. Birds up high in the sky. Come along and ride on by. Whisk and flick, let's go quick. Laugh and learn, clap and click. High and low, fast or slow. Around the world we go, go, go.
Hi, friends.